Hey everybody, Bad Billy. Doing my VR here for Metthem88's giveaway on the 22 ammo collection and variety. So we'll start off from right to left here. T-bolts, golden bullet jewel case, 22 Viper jewel case, 22 Viper fun size. Brick of standards, Christmas specials, blazers, chewdums, tacticals, shot shells rather. We got mini mags, two different types, subsonics and standard velocity in the jewel case. Stingers, velocitors, 22 quiets. You got segmented hollow point subsonics and short range greens. Velociraptors, Cabela's collector, Bass Pro collector, M22 Brownings, Federals. We got the brick of suppressors, American Eagle suppressors, Fed Blues, Auto Match, Target, and the Federal Champion. And 2 boxes of Aguila, Interceptor, and Target. So that's my variety of 22. I think that probably the unique pieces to this that a lot of people don't really have are probably the couple of CCIs, the short range and the segmented subsonics. Also the standard velocity jewel case. And the subsonic jewel case I think is kind of rare too. The 100 round jewel case of the Vipers you don't see a lot of either. And the Federal suppressor, you don't see a lot of those around either. So that's it. That's my VR for Metthem88's giveaway. Hope you guys are having a good weekend, and I will talk to you later on. I'm out.